Welcome to Food Fanatix. Wash and soak 3 cups of rice. Heat 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon ginger, add half teaspoon garlic, add 1 cup chopped carrots, add half cup sweet corn, add 1 cup chopped capsicum, 1 cup chopped spring onions, 2 teaspoons soya sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons salt, and mix until well combined. Remove the vegetables and keep aside. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half kg beef. Add 1 teaspoon garlic, 2 teaspoons ginger. Mix until the beef is well cooked. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and mix. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Three teaspoons crushed chilies, and mix until well combined. Add the vegetables and stir into the beef. Add the soaked rice into hot water, 1 tablespoon of salt. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the rice, add half of the rice, add the beef mixture, add 1 roughly chopped white onion, 7 to 8 green chilies, half cup of chopped spring onions. Add the remaining rice. Let it cook on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes.